Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase of Rocky Mountain ATVMC, and if you've been shopping for a new seat cover, you do not want to miss February's giveaway. All right, everyone, welcome back to February's YouTube giveaway here at Rocky Mountain. If you have not yet, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. We do awesome giveaways each and every month. We give away some sweet prizes. And here's what is up for grabs for the month of February. Attack Graphics has recently come out with their brand new work seat cover. These things are incredible. It's made from a new rubber vinyl material that has more stretch to it, so it's easier to install. Also, it is a very grippy material. If you watch any of the videos that I do, I am very picky when it comes to seat cover. I feel like if you have a seat cover that is slippery, it is hard to have good form and have the right body positioning on the bike. So you want to stay planted to the bike, so you've got to have a good seat cover. Another cool feature about these new seat covers as well is that the ribs actually have piping underneath, so they sit up a little bit higher. Again, those are there to help you stay in place, especially if the seat cover were to get wet. There's a lot of cool colorways that you could choose from, and we're giving away 3 seat covers to 3 different winners. And here's all you have to do to win. We just want you to be subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I've already told you why. Not only do we do giveaways, but we are the best place to go to for product spotlights and other great content, so check it out. And then once you've subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, comment below. We want you to know, first of all, what bike do you plan to put this new seat cover on? And then we want you to comment, what has been the biggest surprise and the biggest letdown, so riders you could say, so far in the 2022 Monster Energy Supercross season. Since we're playing fantasy right now, let's talk some Supercross. Once you've done those 2 easy steps, you are automatically entered to win. So a couple things to know. This contest will run from February 4th through the 11th. You got to be 18 years or older. It's just for the contiguous United States. But after you've commented and after the 11th, I will check back personally. I select the winners. I will go through. I will respond back to your comment to let you know if you're a potential winner. Once I've done that, that's why you want to have your notifications on so you know if I responded to you. But then you respond back to me letting me know you got it, and we take it from there and we get you your seat cover. That's all you have to do. Very simple. If you want to see a breakdown of everything, just click the link in the description of this video. But like I said, the new work seat cover from Attack Graphics, super grippy, easy to install. They look awesome. It's probably one of my favorite upgrades on any new or used dirt bike. So go check these things out. From all of us here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, thank you so much for supporting us. This is why we do these giveaways, and we wish you luck.